Once again, I welcome you all in this lesson 5, where we are going to see Google Classroom for teaching and learning. This is an interesting session where we'll put all we have done from the first lesson to a fourth lesson together. Thus, we call this put it all together. So everything we did in Google Form quiz in the Padlet will be linked together in just this single application, a Google Classroom. So before we proceed, here is please pause this video to respond to the following question. You have been in a different MOOC for professional development. Mention 2 learning management system you have experienced. Well, it's my hope that you have experienced LMS like Moodle, the one we are using in our course, edX, Feature Learning, SIAM, Canvas, and many other. Thank you for your response. However, our session objective is that by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to explore features of Google Classroom, create a Google Classroom, and share a class code for students to join. Also, you can design learning material, task and assignment for your student. Here's just an introduction to Google Classroom. It is just a free web-based developed by Google for schools that aims to simplify creating, distributing, and grading assignment in a paperless way. So its primary focus or its primary purpose is just to streamline the process of sharing files between teachers and students. Further, it can also include parents within this class. It uses Google Document, Google Sheet, as well as Google Slides for writing. As well, the whole communication within Google Classroom is managed by Gmail account. So Gmail account is used for communication within Google Classroom. However, in a Google Classroom, one can share, can schedule events, can schedule the lesson using a Google Calendar. Funny enough, with Google Classroom, each class creates a separate folder in the respective user's Gmail, Google Drive, where the student can submit work to be graded by a teacher just from his or her Google Drive. So in this session, we'll show you how to create a Google Classroom, add learning material, task and assignment for your student. Please follow to see how you can do this simple task. In this case, we are going to use a Google Classroom app. So we click Classroom. Upon clicking Classroom, you'll be given at the top left hand corner, there is there is triple lines, that short line, then a Google Classroom plus sign and the 3 dots at the right hand side. You won't have all these classes like mine because I am using this class. So to create a new class, go to plus sign. We will be given 2 options: join a class or create a class. So we want to create a class, therefore create a class, simple like this. You'll be given with this information to respond. It is like that, you have to read everything. Therefore, you click and accept, then continue. Upon continue, you have to give your class name. So our class name is Geo, for example, Geo F3. It means Geo Form 3. You can have section, room, subject. These are not necessary. So create. Okay, our class has been created yet. This After creating a class, you can change this wallpaper down there depending on your choice. For this case, you are not going to change. Down here, we have three important things. Stream, this is for communicating between teacher and the student. Classwork, this is for assigning classwork, assignment, or learning material to student. And these people is that student who join. I can either add them manually, or I can give them a link to join this class. I can also add a teacher at the top there. So after this, we want to explore some features. As we have started. In order for a student to join this class, we go to setting, and then down this class description section, room, subject, we have this general. In this general, here is the class code. So whoever wants to join this class should be given this class code, and therefore you can also change this class code according to your wish. So we click, let me copy this class code, and then I save. So whoever wants to join this class must sign in must enter this class code into Google Classroom to join this class. After this, let's see now how to create materials and the topic. To create material and topic, we go to Classwork. In a Classwork, click this down right hand corner plus sign. Okay, since we want to create a topic first, we click topic, then we add the name of the topic. Our topic is the same topic, structure of the S. We add the topic. Okay. After having this topic, now student can see topic with the published post. Okay. Now we want to add material. We go again to the plus sign. To add material, you come to this icon with material, then you click material. Okay. What kind of material you want to add? So you give name, because you know, let's say layers of the S. Instruction here, you can give instruction like read all, watch the video, etc. So assign this to that topic. You click topic, you accept this topic, then you save. Okay. So to add the material, at the top there, see the paper clip like icon, you click it. Material can be added either from Google Drive, or a link, or a file, or a photo, or we can record a video, or a PDF. So suppose we want to add the material from a YouTube link. Therefore, we'll find a material from YouTube. That's very simple. Go to YouTube, search for, let's say, structure of the S. Simple, like this. Okay, suppose I'll take this.
This represents the interior of the Earth, divided into different layers.
I copy this link. After copying, I go back to my class, and then I click this link, and I paste. Okay. After pasting, this material is added. Then I click this triangle-like icon to send the material. Material sent. I want to add another thing, which is, let's say I want to add how to create a quiz or assignment. So now I want to create a quiz. Remember, we have said that this is put it all together. I'll take the question you have created from the Google form to add it in this. Then I click plus. Then it is the assignment. Okay, our assignment, we name it as what? Quiz. Respond the Google form quiz. I can also assign the marks. Remember, the marks was 15. I can save. Okay, so where can I get that material? I'll go back to what? Google Drive. Okay, here in the Google Drive, we want to take this quiz we created earlier. We click send, take a link, and copy this link back to Google Classroom. We open, then we take a paper like clip icon. We add another link here. Okay, we click go. After clicking go, we can set a due date. Let's say this assignment is for a week, so you select the date according to your wish. So after a week, it is this now. Then I set a due date. You can also set time automatically. I select the time like that one. Which topic this quiz is? The same topic is structure of the earth. I accept like that one, and then I click save. Okay, after clicking save, I click send. You see, then material is added there. Another thing, I remind you that put it all together. Google Classroom is like an LMS. Therefore, I want to add another task, and this will be, follow me, plus sign, I add the assignment. This assignment will be like a discussion forum. Our discussion forum with the description. This is Padlet. Okay, this is a Padlet task. A Padlet task. Please read instructions to participate. Yeah, again, I could assign marks here. Let's say 10 for participation there. Okay, the due date just be the same. The time is just the same. Even the topic will be the same, structure of the earth. Then I click save. Okay, to add the material of this topic, the Padlet, we go back to our Padlet app. We click the app. It will give us that question of ours, which is the structure of the earth. Then we click it, and so that we can get a link. Go to this gear-like icon, and then we copy the link. So the link is copied. We go back to Google Classroom, go to clip-like icon, and then we click link. Here we paste. Okay, then we click add. You see, Padlet link is added, and therefore we click send. Wow, everything is here, and the student can access this work just in a single app. To wind up, you can learn so many things at your own time. So how to invite a student? How to invite a student? To invite a student, I have to go back to this class. It has 0 students. So I open this class so that I can get this class code. I copy this class code so that it can be shared. How to share? In many there is many ways. So I want to sign in as a student now. To sign in as a student, I have to use a separate different account, and therefore here we go. In order to sign different account, I'll go here, I'll come here and select another account in my mobile phone, and this is so student given in a class code opening a Google Classroom has to click plus sign, and then after clicking plus sign, now he has to join a class, not create a class. So student will click join class. After joining class, you write a code. So we paste that code, and then I join the class. Wow! Now I've joined the class, the very same class. My name is Pongwe Sam Kigel. I can comment here as a student. I can comment on this assignment if I've seen. Therefore, to see the work, I can come here. Wow, the very same thing I can see. I can open, I can listen, I can open the quiz. Okay, here down, add your work. I can see the quiz with everything. So that is how. Let me go back to teacher sign. When I go back to teacher sign, you will see that this class has 1 student. Wow! Here we open, then we see this class has 1 student. Then we open to see who is this student. To see the student, we come to people. Wow! Pongwe Sam Kigel is a student. So this marks the end of our session. Thank you very much.
Yeah, we thank you all once again. This marks the end of this topic, mobile app for teaching and learning. We add you a bonus. Our bonus is what is the so-called Blooming app. This is just a framework prepared by educators for teaching in any online environment, where you'll find varieties of application to use with your student in relation to the revised Blooming taxonomy, where you can assess your learner using varieties of application in an online environment, from remembering to creating. That is to say, from lower order to higher order thinking, from remembering to creating. Varieties of app should be used in a specific purpose. It's our hope that you are going to you have found this topic useful, and you are going to use it in your daily teaching and share with your friends.